Hey Rod, can you tell me about your Mustang?
All right, back in 1987, I had an 87 Mustang. I lived in District Heights, Maryland, so it was a little ravine down the bottom of my hill. It was drizzling lightly, right? I wasn't going that fast, maybe 30 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So I went to turn, and the car fishtail.
Oh.
Scared the crap out of me.
When you say, did it spin completely around?
It could, a whole complete
360 degrees.
And went side by the curve, so it was close by the going down to where the ravine was. Scared the mess out of me. So I said, oh man, maybe I need tires. But it was a new car, so it didn't need tires.
Did it have big fat tires?
Yes. And that particular car had metric tires. So you just couldn't get tires, any kind of tires for it. You had to get expensive tires because they had metric tires.
And that was your 1987 Mustang.
1987.
Fox body.
So I go to Pep Boys. So I remember Goodyear had these tires called the Aqua Tread. It had a little line in the middle. And their claim was that when you ride in water, it pushes the water.
Yes, that's what mine's got on it. Yes.
Away from the car, right?
It's bare, yeah. For
so
most
I got
part.
them tires. Them tires cost something like, I think at that time, I want to say close to $2,000 for the
for all four of them.
Right.
That's
so
expensive, man. Well,
yeah.
I mean, you know.
The metric tires.
That's a lot of money
at that time. So I'm like, okay, I'm good. I go somewhere else. And I hit it, and it just swung back and forth. This is a different time. It just fished like this, back and forth. I go back to Pep Boys. Guy he said, well, you know, you got to put some traction bars on it to lower the car down. That was like another like $1,200, something like that for the labor and the parts.
Traction bars?
I didn't know nothing about cars.
I don't. Okay. I'm pausing. Be back in a hot second. You're on.
All right, so I get the traction bars. Next thing I know, it's raining again. Car shifts again.
It fishtails again.
It fishtails.
But did you do another 360?
No, I never did another 360.
That's better, at least.
Yeah. So I went back to Pep Boys. The guy was saying, well, you know, it's this and that. And this old guy, I never forget this. I was going to the liquor store. And I was talking to the guy out there. He said, man, that's a pretty car. Like, yeah, man, the thing keep fishtailing.
Right.
When it rained.
Yeah.
The old man said, you know why? Because of the engine and all the weight is at the front of the car. You have nothing on the back of the car with any kind of weight.
Makes sense.
So he said that's the one thing why.
Okay. Back to that. Okay, after the fishtail, the old man was telling you this?
The old man told me, he said, man, that's why Chevrolet makes a better car because they distributed the weight better. So
that's how you ended up got rid of your 89 Fox body.
I got 87.
87 and wait a minute, did you sell it or trade it in?
No, I sold it. I sold it to a guy. Cause a lot of people like the car because
they got those wheels on, the $2,000 wheels on it too. You had to deal with that.
So
get that money back.
I look at them now that, you know, hey, I'm older now, but my heart is with Chevy.
All right, well, I even sold Chevys and loved them, but this is what happened to me once. I had a Chevy that the transmission blew up after I paid for it. It was a Monte Carlo. I went out one day. I was paying child support through the nose and everything. Yeah, my transmission blew up. Anyway, that's that story. So, and that was a 1987 Monte Carlo too. So we were both dealing with it at the same year.
Yeah.
I was in Laurel, Maryland. Anyway, it was good talking to you. It's always good to talk to somebody about their cars.
All right.
And it was a Mustang. Catch you later. Bye.